Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix the error 429 on YouTube. 1. Wait and refresh. This error is often temporary, so wait a few minutes and refresh the page to see if it resolves. 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable and restart your modem or router if needed. 3. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings and clear the cache and cookies to remove outdated or conflicting data. 4. Try a different browser. Switch to a different web browser to check if the issue persists. 5. Disable browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with YouTube's functionality. Disable them and test YouTube again. 6. Restart your device. Reboot your computer or mobile device to clear any temporary glitches. And finally, contact YouTube support. If the problem continues, visit the YouTube Help Center or report issue for assistance. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.